Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access. Sign into the Google account that has Gemini enabled. Once done, open Gemini in Chrome or the Google app on mobile. Make sure you're on the latest version. Next, navigate straight to Settings Right Arrow Assistant or Gemini Voice Controls. You do this now because voice selection lives in that panel. Don't waste time on general settings. Focus on the voice or TTS section so you can make the gender change in the next step. Now you change the voice. Open the voice or text-to-speech menu within Gemini or Assistant settings. You'll see labeled voice profiles. Pick the female profile you prefer and hit preview or play to confirm tone and pacing. Make sure to tap apply or save so the change persists. If a device-specific override exists, such as phone vs web, make the same selection on each device. Once the female voice is active, test by asking Gemini a question. Finish by testing thoroughly. Ask various prompts to confirm the female voice covers both short replies and longer TTS. If the voice reverts or doesn't apply, close and reopen the app, then reboot the device. Often that forces the new profile to load. If problems persist, clear app cache or reinstall the Google app, then reselect the voice. If none of that helps, document the device, OS, app version, and steps to reproduce before contacting support for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.